King Arms M4. Full gun metal. I have to do this one hand. Locking bolt catch. Oakley SI gloves. Just show you what this sounds like. Semi-auto. Fuck. Fully auto. Here we go. Now I'm going to have to tidy all this shit up. Just a quick look at what I was using. It is a King Arms M4 with proper trademarks. It's a property of US military, if you can read that. So about the light. It's only transparent because I don't have the license yet. As soon as I have the UK license, it'll be full black. So let me just twist it over. The other side, that is the bolt catch dust cover. Sorry, full assist doesn't do anything, obviously it's only airsoft. Remember guys, if you're playing around with stuff like this, use proper protection, carbon fibre gloves, and these are Swiss Eye ballistic glasses.